Guys, it's your girl Brianna Queen. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I focus on easy beauty, simple DIY, as well as decor. And today we are doing a at-home facial for glowing skin. So you want to start off with a freshly clean face. So no makeup residue, no lotion, no morning crust. You want a freshly clean face. So I am starting off using simple face wash. I'm going ahead and applying that all over to get my face nice and clean for the glowing skin facial. And if you're interested in my daily routine, I will link that video down below. Then you want to wash your face with lukewarm water and dry off with a paper towel. Your face should be moist, damp to the touch. You don't want it to be completely dry. And I like to almost pat my face dry instead of wiping or rubbing. And once my face is clean, I like to go in and steam it with the steam from hot water. I like to add chamomile tea to my steam because it just, first of all, it smells amazing and it is relaxing. So when it comes to steaming your face, some of the benefits include cleaning your pores, help with circulation, which also makes your skin look younger, and help the rest of our products work better through better absorption. Once the water is boiling, go ahead and turn it off. And then you can add tea from a tea bag like I did, as well as dehydrated flowers. I like to add these things because, for one, it makes the water smell amazing, and it also helps with relaxing because I feel like an at-home facial should be relaxing. So go ahead and take that water and put it inside of a bowl that is big enough to where you can actually put your face close to it and get that steam. I also like to add a few drops of lavender oil. You can use any essential oil that you choose, or you can just do regular water. It's really up to you. But I prefer to add a few extra things to my water as it's calming and relaxing. Now, once I have my essential oils, I'm going to take a towel and put that over my head. And then I'm going to stick my face not directly in the water. We are not trying to boil our face. And you can take a few intervals, like every 2 minutes, putting your face back in the bowl. I like to steam my face for about 5 minutes, having 1 minute breaks in between, and now it's time to exfoliate, which is one of my favorite things ever, y'all. Now you can make your own facial scrub using sugar and any kind of oil or salt. I'm going to be using a microdermabrasion facial scrub from Need Crystals, and I'm going to wet my face. Then I'm going to take some of this microdermabrasion scrub and gently scrub a damp face. Exfoliating your skin is really going to help your skin look brighter because it helps to remove any dead or dull skin cells. Also helps your skin to look smoother, softer, as well as younger. I tend to exfoliate my skin, I want to say once every 1 to 2 weeks, and also do not forget to exfoliate your neck. So going in with this exfoliating scrub and just applying it all over my face as well as my neck. Just be sure to be gentle. The skin on your face, it is fragile, it is sensitive, so you don't want to do too abrasive. And then go ahead and wash off and lightly dry by patting your face with a paper towel. And y'all, my skin feels so smooth, and as you can see, it already instantly looks brighter. So now it's face mask time. I'm using a cucumber and aloe vera face wrap. I'll link down below the one I have. You can also make your own, or if you prefer a different one, go ahead and do that. So with this face mask, nourish my face, make my skin look brighter, as well as soothe. At this point, you can take a sip of your water, of your wine, or you can respond to text messages like I did, which kind of defeats the purpose of having like an at-home facial, at-home spa, right? Like if I'm on my phone. Brianna, get it together. Child, get it together. And then after 15 minutes, it's time to remove my face mask. And now it's time to apply toner. I love toner. It's like the last step. Don't worry, you guys. And what toner or microcellular oil is going to do is going to help Restore your natural pH balance. And the reason why this is important is if your skin is out of whack, then your skin may work overtime, overdrive to restore your natural pH balance. So that may mean that your skin becomes super oily, oilier than you need because it's trying to supplement super dry skin. So applying a toner is really great for targeting your pH, which is really going to help your skin to look more youthful, more moisturized, and more glowy. Additionally, this helps to remove any leftover traces from the exfoliating scrub that I use, as well as the mask. Last but not least, I am going in with a serum. You can apply a serum or a moisturizer. This is just going to help moisturize your face. I prefer serums because serums are packed with antioxidants to help even out your skin tone, help replenish the moisture in your skin, as well as get rid of any fine lines if you have them. So this is my step-by-step at-home facial for glowy, clear skin. I'll also link the blog post down below with a ton of DIY at-home recipes you can use for your facial. I'll talk to you guys in my very next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay beautiful, and stay blessed. Bye!